What is CCS? CCS, Combined Charging System, is the all-in-one Swiss Army knife of EV charging. It combines AC slow charging and DC fast charging into a single connector, powering up to 500 kilowatt. It's fast, versatile, and currently dominates North America and Europe. And what is CHAdeMO? CHAdeMO comes from the Japanese phrase, "How about a cup of tea?" Promising a full charge in the time it takes to drink one. Created in Japan, it uses a dedicated DC plug, pushing up to 400 kilowatts in modern specs. Therefore, there are 6 main differences between CCS and CHAdeMO. Difference number 1. Connector design. CCS is like a clever Swiss Army knife. It uses a single port, 7 pins for regular AC charging, plus 2 extra heavy-duty pins at the bottom for DC fast charging. Sleek, clean, and minimal space on the car body. CHAdeMO? It's a dedicated 9-pin round plug. Since it only does DC fast charging, CHAdeMO cars literally need 2 separate charging ports on their rear. That's double the flap, double the hassle. And difference number 2, power and speed. Right now, CCS dominates the real world, pumping out 150 to 350 kilowatts, with max power hitting 500 kilowatts. CHAdeMO? Most legacy plugs sit around 50 to 100 kilowatts. But don't sleep on CHAdeMO just yet. Modern CHAdeMO 2.0 and 3.0, also known as CHAdeMO, are built to push a mind-blowing 400 to 900 kilowatts. The catch? On European and American roads, CCS is already everywhere, while next-gen CHAdeMO is still playing catch-up on coverage. In the difference number 3, regional prevalence. In Europe, CCS Combo 2 is the undisputed law. The EU literally mandated it for all public fast chargers back in 2017. In North America, Tesla's NCS is making huge moves, but CCS is still the backbone for most third-party charging networks. Meanwhile, in Asia, CHAdeMO built a massive empire thanks to legendary EVs like the Nissan Leaf, still raking in over $1 billion globally. Difference number 4, bidirectional charging and V2G. Here's CHAdeMO's absolute superpower, V2G, vehicle-to-grid. It's the only fully mass-produced, certified standard for two-way power flow. During a blackout, your EV becomes your home's backup generator. Even better? You can sell power back to the grid when prices peak. CCS is awesome for fast charging, but when it comes to mature commercial V2G, it's still years behind CHAdeMO. Second to last difference number 5, station costs. High-power CCS stations aren't cheap. Early setups in Europe skyrocketed over 200,000 euros per station. CHAdeMO, on the other hand, offers much lower upfront hardware costs. Reaching the last point, difference number 6, compatibility and the future. So, how do CHAdeMO drivers survive in a CCS-dominated world? Simple, adapters. A good CCS to CHAdeMO adapter lets legacy EVs charge virtually anywhere. And for station operators looking for maximum ROI, the winning strategy is dual-connector DC chargers. By offering both CCS and CHAdeMO, you capture 100% of the traffic, boost charger utilization, and never waste a single spot. In short, CCS owns today's scale. CHAdeMO owns tomorrow's V2G ecosystem.